This video walks you through how to edit the checkout page in Wix. Start by signing into your Wix account, then open the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, make sure you enter the correct dashboard before changing any checkout settings. Once the site dashboard is open, move to the Settings area. From the Wix dashboard, click Settings, then select Checkout. This opens the main area where Wix stores the options for your checkout page. From here, you can adjust how the page looks, what information customers need to provide, and what happens after an order is placed. Under the Customization tab, find the Checkout Form section and click Edit. This is where you can control the fields customers see during checkout. Review the customer fields, choose what information is required, and update any custom fields you want to include. If your store needs specific details from buyers, this is the section where those choices are set. Next, stay in the customization area and locate the checkout header section. Click Edit to update the branding shown at the top of the checkout page. This affects the header customers see while completing their order, so you can adjust the display to match the rest of your site. After that, scroll down through the remaining checkout settings. Here you can configure the billing address fields and review your checkout policies. You can also manage policy agreement checkboxes, contact information, checkout validations, additional fees, gift cards, invoices, and receipt settings. Go through each area and update the options that apply to your store. If a setting affects legal text or order charges, it is worth reviewing it carefully before moving on. When those sections are in place, open the Emails and Notifications tab. This is where you customize the messages customers receive after different order events. You can update customer emails and notifications related to purchases, shipping updates, refunds, and other order activity. Review the wording and the event types so the messages match the checkout experience you want customers to have after they place an order. Before publishing anything, use the Preview option to check the full experience. In the top right corner, click Preview Checkout. Wix will show you how the checkout page appears so you can review the form, header, and any options you changed. Take a moment to look through the flow the way a customer would and confirm that the required fields, policy checkboxes, and branding appear as expected. If everything looks correct in Preview, you can move forward knowing the checkout settings reflect the updates you made in the dashboard. Your Wix checkout page is now updated with your revised form, header, settings, and notifications.